Imagine this, a car so exclusive that only 4 will ever exist in the entire world. And today, we're pulling back the curtain on the very first one, the Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling masterpiece, hand-built in utter secrecy at the home of Rolls-Royce in Goodwood, England. Welcome inside the world's most exclusive factory, where dreams worth tens of millions are crafted one meticulous detail at a time. Picture the serene countryside of West Sussex, where the Rolls-Royce facility blends seamlessly into the landscape. It's a place of quiet precision, where hundreds of skilled artisans work in harmony to create automotive perfection. But tucked away in a special section is the Coachbuild department, an ultra-private haven even most Rolls-Royce employees rarely enter. This is where the magic happens for commissions like the Noire Droptail. Coachbuild isn't about production lines. It's haute couture for automobiles. Clients collaborate directly with designers and craftsmen over years to bring wildly ambitious visions to life. For the Droptail series, only 4 such visions will ever be realized. The Rose Noire is the pioneering expression, inspired by the mysterious Black Baccara rose, the deep, velvety flower that shifts from near black in shadow to shimmering red in sunlight. The commissioning family fell in love with this rose, and it became the soul of their car. Development began years ago, with initial sketches evolving through endless client feedback. At Goodwood, the process starts with a blank canvas, a completely new monocoque chassis designed exclusively for Droptail. It's a fusion of aluminum, steel, and carbon fiber, rigid, lightweight, and utterly bespoke. No shared platform here, this is engineering from the ground up. The body is hand-sculpted, with dramatic lines evoking classic roadsters but infused with modern glamour. At over 5 meters long and 2 meters wide, it has compact, athletic proportions that hark back to early Rolls-Royce open-top cars. A sharp negative sculptural line drops from the front, leading the eye to the low, raked rear, hence the Droptail name. The Pantheon grille is reimagined, slimmer, with kinked vanes and a dark hygrosshade finish developed just for this car. Bright work throughout echoes this duotone theme, mysterious and bold. But the star is the paint, a hypnotic red called True Love over a secret base coat, topped with 5 layers of clear lacquer in varying red tones. It took over 150 iterations to perfect this color-shifting effect. In shade, it's almost black, enigmatic and intense. Catch it in direct light, and it reveals a pearlescent red shimmer, just like the petals of the Black Baccara. Artisans apply it by hand in the paint shop, a climate-controlled sanctuary where every layer is polished to flawless depth. Step inside the Coachbuild Atelier, and you'll see craftsmen shaping carbon fiber panels with surgical precision. The removable hardtop, a carbon fiber marvel with electrochromic glass that tints at a button's touch, transforms it from open roadster to sleek coupe. It's low-slung and aggressively raked, emphasizing the car's daring character. Power comes from the iconic 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12, tuned here to around 600 horsepower, smooth, effortless, and whispering luxury. But the true artistry is in the interior. This is the first modern Rolls-Royce Roadster with just 2 seats, intimate, cocooning, romantic. The shawl panel behind the seats curves dramatically, clad in the most complex parquetry ever created by Rolls-Royce. Over 1,603 individual pieces of black sycamore veneer form a symmetrical base. Then, 533 asymmetric red-tinted pieces are scattered like fallen rose petals, an abstract masterpiece taking nearly 2 years to perfect. Each veneer slice is hand-cut, finished, and placed with micron accuracy. Leather in 2 custom reds, True Love and Mystery, envelopes the cabin, hand-stitched with millions of precise perforations. The dash center, a bespoke Audemars Piguet Royal Oak concept watch, removable to wear on the wrist. When detached, a matching engraved blank covers the space. Even a custom champagne chest was commissioned, matched to the car's hues, holding crystal flutes and bottles of an exclusive vintage. In the Coachbuild facility, teams of designers, engineers, and artisans work in serene studios. Every element is prototyped, refined, and approved in constant dialogue with the client. It's patronage reborn, clients as co-creators in automotive history. The Rose Noire embodies passion, glamour, and unbreakable bonds. Now, as we shift gears, let's dive into the whispers surrounding this enigmatic creation. Because with something this exclusive, rumors swirl like mist around Goodwood. Who exactly commissioned this rolling work of art? Rolls-Royce guards client privacy fiercely, revealing only that it's an international family of impeccable taste. But speculation points strongly to a billionaire family with deep French ties. The Black Baccara rose originates in France, after all. And the mother of the family adores it, that's confirmed. Some say they're prominent in fashion or luxury goods, curators of exquisite collections. Others whisper of champagne heritage, given the custom vintage created to match the car. Maybe, or perhaps not, Rolls-Royce drops subtle hints about French connections, but nothing concrete. Could it be a celebration of a milestone anniversary? Rumors suggest decades of marriage, a romantic gesture on an epic scale. Possibly, though it might just be a passion project for connoisseurs. The price? Officially undisclosed, as always with Coachbuild. But insiders allege around $30 million, perhaps more. That would eclipse previous records like the Boattail or Sweptail. It may be the most expensive new car ever sold. Or it may not, some sources claim slightly less, around $25 to $28 million. The truth remains locked away. Has it been spotted in the wild? There are unconfirmed sightings in London, parked casually among supercars. Maybe that's the real one, drawing crowds. Or perhaps a clever replica, unlikely, given the uniqueness. Some rumor the family has multiple Coachbuild commissions, possibly linking to other Droptails. But each of the four is utterly distinct, tailored to different patrons. Or are they all from the same circle? Unlikely, but the secrecy fuels such theories. Might the owner be a tech mogul, a royal, or an oil tycoon? French clues make European old money more probable. Perhaps connected to famous vineyards or couture houses. It could be, or it could be someone entirely unexpected. The Audemars Piguet partnership hints at watch collecting elite. Maybe the family owns rare timepieces matching the bespoke royal oak. Or not, it was simply a perfect collaboration. Even the champagne chest, is it from a family-owned estate? Rumors say yes, an exclusive cuvée just for them. Possibly, though Rolls-Royce arranged it as part of the commission. Why a two-seater Roadster? Some say to recapture youthful romance, driving topless along the Côte d'Azur. That fits the French narrative perfectly. Or maybe it's for grand touring in ultimate privacy. The Droptail series might include themes from mythology or gems in later versions. But La Rose Noire stands alone as the darkest, most dramatic. Rumors persist that it's already a collector's icon, value skyrocketing. Perhaps destined for a private museum. Or driven regularly, billionaires do enjoy their toys. One thing's certain amid the speculation, this car is shrouded in allure. It may belong to a fashion dynasty, celebrating love with velvet reds. Or it may be something entirely different, hidden behind Goodwood's discretion. The beauty of Coachbuild is that we'll likely never know for sure. That's part of what makes it the world's most exclusive. And as the La Rose Noire glides silently into legend, it leaves us wondering. What secrets does its shimmering paint truly hide? In the end, the rumor and reality blend into pure fascination. Thanks for joining this exclusive peek inside the creation of a legend. If you love this deep dive, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more ultra-luxury secrets. Until next time, drive your dreams.